Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad using purple cabbage, easy method. Start by washing and quartering the cabbage, then remove the core and thinly slice into even shreds. Use a sharp knife or mandolin for consistent texture and faster prep. Transfer the shredded cabbage into a large bowl and breathe in the fresh crunch as you get ready to build layered flavors and vibrant color. In this video, I will show how to make salad using purple cabbage, easy method. Whisk together extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and a hint of honey until smooth and emulsified. Add a pinch of salt, cracked black pepper, and a small touch of cumin or paprika for warmth. Taste and balance the acidity with more lemon or a drop of honey, aiming for bright, slightly sweet, and tangy notes that complement the cabbage. In this video, I will show how to make salad using purple cabbage, easy method. Add mix-ins like thinly sliced apple or pear to introduce sweet contrast and keep textures interesting. Toss in toasted almonds, walnuts, or pumpkin seeds for satisfying crunch and nutty depth. Finish with chopped fresh herbs such as cilantro or parsley, and gently fold the dressing through the cabbage so every bite has balance and a lively pop of flavor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.